How to kick someone from a Discord server. Got a troublemaker or inactive member cluttering your server? Let's learn how to kick someone from your Discord server. Quick, clean, and drama free. Let's get started. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Go to the server where you are managing members. Make sure you have the kick members permission. Click the Show Member List icon, the people icon at the top right if it's not already open. Or click the server name, then go to server settings, then members for a full list. Scroll or search for their name in the list. Right-click the username and choose Kick Username from the menu. On mobile, tap their name, then three dots and then kick. You can write a reason, visible to other mods or admins, or leave it blank. Click Kick to remove them from the server immediately. Note, kicking removes them from the server, but they can rejoin with an invite. For permanent removal, use ban instead. And that's how you kick someone from your Discord server. Use it responsibly to keep your community safe, friendly, and drama-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.